Hi, this is my graduation day po. And you see that before tapos that, I first to cry po and maybe super funny last time. But in my dream is I'm laughing. I'm super pagod because of me. I have playing, I have fun, like that ako. Always I'm keep building. I just want to build, but hindi. And this is my high honors. But I'm just with my highest honor pala. Teacher know that. I try my best on Kinder to do charity. Since we laugh ako, and mommy laugh and daddy laugh because hindi kasang ang medals ko. It's true. But you see the sunflower is so ganda, diba? And that happened. We have, you see, teacher with a red hair. And is this also back, but hindi kita. It's a nice day. And but picture pa ako. Kamali pala ako. Bye!